Next question. Enter the following transactions in appropriate books of original entry. So I will have to find out where should I put them. Which book is appropriate? For that I need to read the question. 1st May, Mohandas got insolvent and a sum of rupees 5,000 could not be received. Okay, this is insolvency and the entry will be bad debts account debit to Mohandas. Neither the purchase return, neither sales return. So I think this is an entry of journal proper. Next, 4th May, goods worth rupees 10,000 lost by theft. Again an entry of journal proper, because loss by theft is other than the all the remaining accounts. Old machinery was sold to Ram on credit rupees 3,000. Okay, this is also an entry of journal proper because it cannot be fit in any account. Purchase account, sales account, purchase return account, sales return account, cash return account. So the account left is journal proper. 10th May, goods withdrawn for business from business for personal use. This is a drawing entry, again in journal proper. So I'll start making a journal proper. Journal proper. And keep doing entries as you do it in your basic journal. So 1st May, Mohandas got insolvent and a sum of rupees 5,000 could not be received. So this is my bad debts. Bad debts is my expense. So bad debts account debit 5,000. Bad debts account debit 5,000 to Mohandas. I have to credit Mohandas' name because he was my debtor standing as a debit balance. He cannot pay me now, so I have to credit his name to remove those 5,000 as assets from me. No more my assets. Now 4th May, goods worth rupees 10,000 lost by theft. So the entry will be loss by theft account debit to purchases. Loss by theft account debit to purchases. See, loss by theft only have to be debited because again this is an expense debited to my profit and loss account. So expense has to be debited to purchase 10,000. Okay, next 5th May. Old machinery was sold to Ram on credit for 3,000. Machinery is going out of the business. Machinery has a debit balance. Generally, it is an asset. Now going out, so I will have to reverse the balance. I will have to credit the machinery balance. And since it is going to Ram, Ram is the receiver. So Ram account debit. Ram account debit. How much? 3,000. To machinery. Had this been an entry that sold machinery for cash, then it would have been entered in cash book and not here. Okay, now 10th May. Goods withdrawn from business for personal use 5,000. Goods withdrawn, so drawing has a debit balance, debit drawing account debit by 5,000. When goods are withdrawn, purchase account has to be credited because when goods come in, I increase my purchase account. Purchase account has a debit balance. When I am decreasing it, I have to credit the purchase account. So to purchase account, 5,000 written over here. Just take the total of both the sides. So making a journal proper is very simple. Just have to have your basics clear about the journal entry, and you can easily plot a journal proper